Hey guys, it's Jeremy Scott. Welcome back to the AI Money Press and GorillaAITools.com. Hey, thanks for being here. For those of you who are back, hey, look at you. I see your beautiful smiling faces. Welcome back, guys. And for all the new people, you guys are fantastic. You're in for a real treat. So I want to announce right now, in this video, I'm going to talk about our 5-day AI challenge. And if you haven't done this yet, I'm going to ask you guys to just like, subscribe, and comment the word checklist, okay? Checklist, because I'm going to be giving you guys access to my AI checklist right behind me. There's over 400 different AI tools that I use on a regular basis here. And I'll give you access to every single one of them. And I'll show you in the next coming days exactly how we do what we do. And I want to get you guys earning money as quickly as possible. And guess what? You get to start this absolutely free. I don't have any boot camps to sell you. I don't have any workshops. I'm sorry, I just don't. If you're trying to spend some money, I don't really want it. I've taken a long time now of spending money and a lot of hours over the last year plus trying to figure out what really works. And I found a system that is fantastic and working with a great group of colleagues that I can introduce you to down the road. So we're going to get started here. First off, I want to talk to you guys about what we do. Does it require any sort of coding experience, no advertising or running ads? You don't have to put on expensive boot camps or attend any boot camps. You don't even need any IT background. None of that at all. There's no pyramid schemes, no inviting friends to sell or buy vitamins or soap or whatever it might be. Nothing wrong with that. That's just not what this is about. And also, much to your relief, there's no TikTok dances. So no, you won't be seeing me shaking my groove thing. So sorry to disappoint. But what it does take to make something happen in the world, especially when it comes to making a successful side hustle into full-time money. And it takes investing in yourself. And that doesn't mean spending money. It means spending a little bit of time learning and absorbing the information that's out there. There's never been more information available at your fingertips in history than there is today. I'm just asking you to spend a little time invested in yourself and figure out what we do. And I'm happy to be here to shepherd, coach, direct, whatever you call it, the entire way along, because I actually just want to see you guys succeed. It's been an awfully fun road, and I can't wait to share more of that with you. Just understand that nothing good happens overnight. I would say nothing good happens overnight. There's always been lots of bad or weird stuff that has happened overnight historically. Am I wrong? Good or good? Good? Okay, cool. So I want to just say welcome back to the channel. It's been going really, really well. I really appreciate all of your support, all the new subscribers. We're working towards getting, you can see right now, guys, we're only at 476 subscribers. It's been a very short time the channel's been around. My 500th subscriber is actually going to get a free gift from me. So the 500th, when I see you, I'm actually going to reach out. We'll get your contact information. I'm going to send you some for free from me for being the 500th. Now, if you guys really rock and roll, the 1,000th, there will be another gift, and I'm going to keep escalating up from there. It's going to be kind of fun. I figure, why not, right, guys? So just like the thumbnail said, the ChatGPT money machine. Well, right here, guys, I asked ChatGPT, I said, what are the best ways to make money with AI? And wouldn't you know it, the first thing it told me was affiliate marketing. It's to promote top tools like Jasper, Midjourney, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, like we have in previous videos. On YouTube, the best platforms, obviously YouTube, TikTok, your newsletters, and so on. Different automations, the top 5 AI tools for 2025. Basically promoting AI links to affiliate relationships with various companies. That is the top way right now in 2025 to make money with AI. And that's exactly what I'm showing you guys. And you can do that through different things like Faceless AI content creation, selling AI prompts, launching a micro SaaS business, which is software as a solution. We'll talk more about that later on with one of my favorite tools, Go HighLevel. We'll explain some of those things. But that's what this is really all about. So moving to the next part, I'm going to explain the details of how and why. For those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply this. There are companies out here like Amazon, Walmart, you name it, any online company at all, they offer what they call an affiliate program. And the reason that they do that is that instead of hiring a sales force, they hire individuals by paying you a commission based on everything that is purchased or sold, given that either a link specifically that people go to, it saves a cookie in their browser history. You guys know all this stuff by now. But just to reiterate, a lot of those other programs out there, and Amazon does a really great one, a couple of different ways to go about it. But keep in mind that once you sell even a high-ticket item, be it a laptop or a TV or anything, that is transactional, meaning that once that transaction is done, there's no more money to be made. You have to keep spinning plates. Does that make sense? Sort of the analogy, keep spinning plates to keep them going so that you can get more and more sales. It's very, very transactional. Even me in the mortgage and real estate business, after I'm done with a transaction, whether I get paid well or not, it's done. And you always have to look for the next deal. What I want to show you with affiliate marketing is that you get to, like Ron Popeil said, set it and forget it, right? The pocket fisherman and, of course, the rotisserie oven. I love that guy. I grew up in the 80s watching his commercials. So set it and forget it. So what happens is when you promote companies like some of my favorites, Go HighLevel, Spotter Studio, 11 Labs, and now I'm going to wait. This is exciting. I got an announcement later on. But there's another company that I'm really excited to partner with. I just had my conference call with them yesterday. Really excited to promote this new product because it's such a time saver. It's such a great leverage. But Pressmaster AI. I'll put a link down in my description to it so you guys can check it all out. By the way, there are links in the description for everything I'm talking about here. The link to my AI checklist is in there. Links for these AI tools so you can check them out. It's all going to be there. So let's check this out really quick now. Right here is one of my favorites, and in fact, it's the first one that I want you guys to sign up with to start collecting affiliate commissions, because there are two parts to this. Not only do you get paid, as you guys can see here, 40% recurring commission on all the customers who sign up on recurring revenue, but I'm going to show you the dollar amount. But on top of that, you can actually utilize this tool to develop a business that helps other small businesses grow and succeed, from social media management to CRM management, everything you can possibly imagine. With the social media piece in there, it has the ability to DocuSign, I don't know if that's a trademark word, my apologies, but you know what I mean, electronically sign documents by sending out contracts, whatever, you can do that through here. AI agents, which are very top dollar products right now for businesses. AI agents are huge. You can actually sell those services to local businesses in your area and start making revolving income every single month. It's really cool. Absolutely love Go HighLevel. No, I'm not an employee of theirs. I'm an affiliate of theirs. And guess what? If you'd use my affiliate link that's in the description, I'll get paid a commission for you doing that, but I want you to do the exact same. Phenomenal tool, and this is the first stop for you that I really want you to get signed up on. Now, once you've done that, you're actually going to get what I call a snapshot. Now, a snapshot is basically a built-in workflow for sales funnels and nurturing campaigns and really anything you want. And in fact, when you go to my page here and you sign up on GorillaAITools.com, this actually takes over and communicates with you, sending you out basic information. No spamming, I promise. It's not like that. But it will track those things and also keep you compliant with removing people from the contact list if they opt out. Very, very important, guys. Don't get in trouble with those sorts of things. But these things are built in for you inside of that snapshot. Lots more to do, but talk about really quick that commission amount I was telling you about, 40%. Well, 40% of what? Right, $5, an onion, 2 wooden nickels? What's 40% of what, Jeremy? What are you talking about? Well, I can tell you right now. Their biggest plans, well, there are 3 main plans. These guys are displaying it right here. Extendly is another fun element. But here's the main 3 pricing plans: $97 a month, $297, and $497. Now, most people settle in right about here at the $297 mark. And the reason being is you can have unlimited sub-accounts, meaning you can help out unlimited businesses and generate monthly revenue, whether it be from web hosting to AI agents, like I mentioned, or CRM solutions. All of those things, you can actually make a returning commission every single month on that. Plus, any of the affiliate traffic that you get from here as well. The $4.97 plan, unless you're a full-blown agency like me, I don't really see the real reasoning for that. Maybe someone else can enlighten me, but that's what it is. And 40% of that every single month. Guys, the commissions have been nice. It's not overwhelming yet, but I'm really excited with how things have been going so far, and I'll be able to show those things with you guys here in the near future. But go ahead, and in the link that I'm going to send you, you can start your 14-day free trial to go high level. Don't spend a penny. It can actually help you get started absolutely free. So try that out, guys, and I look forward to connecting with you. Now, once you're connected to our system, we can actually communicate. You can reach out for coaching calls, or we can schedule, one-on-one things, whatever you guys need to help you grow and help you succeed in doing this. So let's talk about the next two main companies that I really, really love for a couple of reasons, not least of all being the affiliate commission, but I love these tools right here. Now, one of my favorites is Spotter Studio. And the reason I love Spotter Studio so much is because when you're looking at creating content to promote AI tools or to promote your business or whatever it might be, whenever you're looking for what should I create, right? It seems to be the number one question I'm asked. Well, Jeremy, I can create content, but what about? Well, this tells you. You can actually type in simple words and look for trends in the industry or trends in YouTube and to see what videos are doing really, really well. Now, this is a similar video to the one I did. Theirs did a whole lot better than mine. But what the most important thing right here is this. It's called the outlier index, meaning that within the first 7 days, the video got certain amount of percentage higher than it normally does. Now, that could mean a lot of views on a small channel or a lot more views on a bigger channel, right? But what this actually shows you is that all across all of YouTube, okay, you can either say my favorite channels, my videos, audience also watched, or all of YouTube, and then you go down here and pick a keyword term like ChatGPT. This is just one of them because our video is kind of about ChatGPT, so I selected this. This will tell you the top videos that are going on, and in fact, we can choose our outlier index as a minimum of 10x, for example. Now, it'll show you the top videos here, working its way down, and you can see that live. This one's still at the top, obviously. 120,000 views. They only have 46,000 subscribers. I mean, it's nothing to sneeze at, 46,000. But in the first 7 days, the video did 109,000 views. That's pretty significant, guys. This one here, this gentleman did 430,000 views, a total of 600,000 plus. This one right here, 199,000 times. This video is amazing. Right here, these guys did 2 million views. 2 million. 2 million. In the first 7 days. That was 199 times better than they normally do. So if you're looking for trending content and how to target specific niches or what you might want to create content about, there's no better tool than Spotter Studio. And I have the link for it in my description, as I mentioned. My next one, one of my absolute favorites, and the all-time OG in the industry right now, is a company called 11 Labs. And 11 Labs is a company that does text to speech, meaning you can create narrations. You can use it for really anything. A lot of people use them for AI agents. We're getting a specific or a perfect voice to add to anything you want. Especially if you're thinking about doing faceless content and short form content, meaning your reels and YouTube shorts, that sort of thing. I use 11 Labs a ton. Well, here's something really interesting, just introduced. And the link for this is down below. I want you guys to actually try the trial on this, because as much as people scoff and complain and cry and throw things about AI voices, it's only getting better. And some people like the idea of cloning themselves. I personally don't. I don't want to clone myself. I did professional, I say that as I mumble, I did professional voiceover work for many years. And for a very long time, I believed that only humans could do a phenomenal job. Well, I'm here to tell you that AI is not going anywhere, guys. In fact, it's just getting more prolific all the time. It's growing whether you like it or not. So get with it. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Here's one of the cool things you can do. One of the newest elements, add a new voice design. You can actually literally create a different voice that you want by creating a prompt. how you want them to sound, their dialect, their accent, the tonality, everything that you want about this. You could create right here. It'll give you the prompt. You could say an old English male with a raspy, deep voice, professional, relaxed, and assertive, the text preview, and then generate the voice. I actually created one for my last video, and she is fantastic. Now, the voice doesn't have a sample to play. That's okay. We'll go ahead and play with that again another time. But I want you guys to try out 11 Labs. It's so cool. And if you get signed up to promote this particular tool, they're actually giving a bonus commission for anyone who signs up during the month of May. Now, you'll have to be accepted by our group called PartnerStack, but that's something else I'm going to get to right now. And I want to show you PartnerStack right here. Now, PartnerStack is actually a company that is more like a centralized hub, meaning that a lot of companies bring their products to them so that they can work with affiliate marketers like ourselves who will then go out and promote these different things. Now, there's a ton of different companies that are here that you can dig into and enjoy. And if you find something you like, absolutely, they pay affiliate commissions every time you bring new business in the door. ManyChat is one that I use on a really regular basis. And in fact, that's all of the automated conversations that take place inside of my Instagram, for example. So when you comment a particular term on Instagram, it then automatically sends you something. I'm sure you guys have seen that, like comment recipe, and it sends you a recipe, or comment do whatever. Careful what you comment, because you might get something weird. But there's a lot of things in here that you guys can engage with. Monday is a nice productivity software. QuickBooks, I know you know their name. There's so many different elements that are actually inside this. And 11 Labs is one of them. So I want you guys to check this out. Check out, you can utilize my link to go check out PartnerStack as well. It's free. You can see all that they have to offer, see if anything clicks with you, and try out the free trials of them and promote them if you like them. So for the moment, I just want to say thanks for being here. We're going to end up wrapping at this moment, but this is just day one of the 5-day AI challenge. Hang with me for the rest of the videos. Like I mentioned, like, subscribe, and comment the word checklist, and I'll send you access to our checklist here with the 400 plus AI tools, and we'll help you guys get started on the road to making your first affiliate commissions and hopefully moving you on up to one day $1,000 a day. So thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.